Hello, it's Rickbo. Fix to start a new project. I'm gonna take all these stripes off this motorhome. They're in pretty bad shape. There's not that many of them. I don't know how easy they're gonna come off. And I think I'm gonna leave the stripe on top. I've ordered this decal package. It's kind of a universal decal set. I think it was $199. Come with a little squeegee, but it's just a universal kit. And I'll have to, once I get all these decals off, I'll have to tape it up there and see where I want them, which way looks the best. But for now, I'm going to start taking these decals off. There's a pretty good piece going there for a minute. Oh man. Okay, I got the driver's front done. I've just got to clean it up, get the glue off. I still got all that to do, but it's doable. Just kind of time consuming, hard on the back. But I won't bore you with all the details. But I think where it works best is the heat gun and the razor blade, and just try to get it just the right temperature, and it'll start to peel off. Okay, I'll keep you updated on my progress. There's the front section with most of the glue cleaned off. May still have a little bit here and there. You can see a difference between the old fiberglass and the new that was covered up by the stripe. But I think once it gets the new stripes on it, I think it'll be okay. I've had to change my MO. These stripes here won't come off like those front ones did. So what I'm doing, I'm using this gunk bug and tar remover and spraying these graphics, and then I'm heating them. And they won't peel off because they're so cracked up. And then I'm using razor blade to just go all the way through. Like that. Because before I started using that bug and tar remover, I was just getting little bitty sections off at a time, and it was going to take forever. So I kind of experimented with some different methods. This is actually working pretty good. I've got this side done. Got all the straps off of it. All that I'm going to take off. The other side's done. Still got to do the back. But right now I'm just cleaning up all the glue residue and gonna wash the sides real good before I put the new decals on. It's a lot of work, and especially in this 100-degree heat. I just got to wait till the certain time of the day before where the sun will go down a little bit so I can get some work done. But anyway, that's my progress so far. Okay, I'm in the process of trying to get this laid out like I want it. It's hard to imagine it looking good, but maybe once it's all laid out, it'll look okay. And we're fighting the wind. The wind's blowing all my pieces around. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. Okay, I think I finally I'm gonna settle on the design. I've moved these things 100 times. I'll cut that one off, even with those doors. Progress so far. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. I think I've put 5 on. And I may add some to it after I get done. I've got a bunch left over. I just didn't want to get too many decals on it. Have it look overdone. I'm tired and I'm ready to go home, but the sun's finally set enough to where it's not so hot on this side of the RV. So I may stay and work until dark, or work until I get these other 4 put on. Because I sure don't want to leave that tape up there overnight, because I'm afraid it'll fall off and they'll blow away. So I've been fighting the wind all day. Alright, that's my update. Okay, I'm using what they call the Hinge method. You basically divide the sticker in half with some painter's tape. And then it said to start on the right side. And you peel the wax paper off. For some reason the sticker wants to stick with the wax paper more than it does the other paper, but if you work on it, it'll finally start going, and then once it does, it goes pretty easy. And then once you get to your hinge, you cut this wax paper off. And then take your squeegee and start working from the center outward. then I move my hinge over to where I cut off the wax paper. And then do the left side. Peel this paper off. Got some bubbles in it. Looks pretty good. I'm no expert, but that's the way I've been doing it. And so far it's been working out pretty good. I've got one more to do. I think I'm going to try to get it done tonight. But it changed the whole look of the motorhome. And I may go back. I've got a lot of extra stripes. I may go back in and add some more if it needs it. But really, I think it's going to look pretty good. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. I really like the way the back turned out. Okay, here's a picture of the motorhome in the daylight with all the stripes on it. Let me get back so we can see the whole thing. I think it really came out good. I'm happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye.